Legends speak of a legendary drum fill that is older than time itself. But in order to discover the secrets of this drum fill, we have to go all the way back to the beginning of the universe. No, I'm just kidding. The year was 2010 and the people of Earth were still using the iPhone 4. The cinnamon challenge was still a thing and YouTube looked like this. I know, horrible, horrible. A scrawny young youth by the name of Jaystiqs was now starting out playing drums on YouTube. He watched YouTube drum videos because there was no one to teach him how to play drums. On one fateful day, as he was watching drum videos from the cool cast of the magical kingdom of the Berklee School of Music, he came across a video and in it was a drum fill so incredibly awesome that the drumming world was changed forever. This amazing drum fill would then go on to be known as the Berklee Chop's incredibly awesome, stupendously delicious drum fill. Trademark, copyright, do not disturb. And for the first time in 8 million years, this drum fill will be broken down exclusively for the Player Nation for a small fee of smashing the like button. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So first off, hit a cymbal. Any cymbal. It does not matter. But if you have a splash cymbal, that would be extra tasty. Next up, snare hit. Put the snare hit and the cymbal hits together. You do the whole thing 2 times. Most typical drum fills that are easy, try to start from the 1 and end on the 1. Just so you understand it, let's play the beginning part with a metronome. And you can practice this part even as a groove on its own. Okay, I'm sorry. I tried to let go, but the groove was too fantastic. Next up, 2 hits on the kick. Then 1 hit on the snare and the cymbal together. Plus 1 additional snare hit. Together. Everything together. Next up is a pattern on the toms, the snare, and the kick. The final part. Now let's put everything together. Let's play it with a metronome. And we can use this in so many types of grooves. It's crazy. It's ridiculous. So, I'm going to show you a video that talks about how to paint a picture with your drumming. But first, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified every single time there's a new video. For music to practice your drums along with, check out my website, jaystiqs.com. Link in the description. Also, check out my app, the Drum Chops Builder app, for creating and saving your best drum fill ideas on your phone, anywhere you are. There's a link down in the description. Go check it out. This video right here teaches how to take your listener on a journey of musical deliciousness with your drumming. Click here to find out how to make your drum solos irresistible.